Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to factory reset our Samsung front load washing machine. So let's check it out. We are using the latest Samsung front load washing machine model. The user interface or the steps might be a bit different for other Samsung models. This factory reset option comes handy when we face some issues with the software aspect of our Samsung front load washing machine, like if the control panel is not working or if the wash programs are getting stuck, etc. But it will also remove custom wash cycles, calibration data, Wi-Fi related data, etc. This may not be effective for any hardware or mechanical related problems. Maybe we can try cleaning the washing machine filters to check this. We have some videos in the description for that. You can check that. Before proceeding further, we have to make sure the drum door is properly closed and we should not have any clothes or water inside the drum as well. And we have to make sure we don't have any detergent inside the detergent drawer as well. We should have a stable power connection while doing this too. So after doing all this, we have to turn on our washing machine. Then we have to go to this hand symbol here, this one. We have to long press this till we hear 2 beep sounds. 1, 2, then we will go to the second menu here. So we can use the dial to move and go to factory reset option, this one. That's all. So if you are okay with all this and if you are ready to go, then we can select the circle select option to reset. All settings will be set to defaults, continue. So we have to use the dial to go to OK and select the circle icon again. Resetting machine will then turn off. We will hear this switching off sound. Then we can turn on the machine. So we have to set all the configurations from the beginning. We have to select the language. We have to do all this from the beginning. Empty drum before the calibration. So now we have to do the calibration. We can tap the circle to skip, or if we want to do, we have to hold the start option. So this will take a few minutes and the door will be locked for this. We can see the calibration taking place inside the drum. This will rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise to balance the drum. Then after almost 3 minutes, we will get this calibration complete message. Then we will get this welcome message. So we can explore our washer. We can do the demo. So after that, we will get the screen. We can see our wash cycles here and we can start to use our washing machine normally. That's all. Suppose if you forgot to do the calibration and if you want to do that now, then we have to again long press this and symbol here till we get 2 beep sounds. Then we can use the dial to go to calibration and we can tap the circle button to do that. That's all. So now we have to once again connect our smartphone to the SmartThings app. We shared a full video about this. Kindly check the link in the description for this along with other helpful videos. These are the steps to factory reset Samsung front load washing machine. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.